Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete pictures in Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, open the app and sign in. On the screen, you can see options like Friends, Swipe, Activity, Chat, and Live. You don't have to select any of these, just go to top right corner and select on that user icon. Now you can see there's a profile picture and a little pin sign right beside it. Tap on it and you can see your photo. Select your photo, and right beside your photo there's a cross sign. Tap on it and select delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your photo on Yubo app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.